Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the voice of Crypto Dig. And this morning, what are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about the latest airdrop in town that is listing very soon. And to my surprise, when I log into my account this morning, this is what I found. I come to airdrop to discover that I am not eligible. Why? Because there are certain things I have to do. So before we dive deep into the video, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, you are welcome once again, and I appreciate you for coming in at this particular time. What do we do on this channel? We talk about crypto, we talk about airdrops, and we talk about airdrop tutorials and how to mine or how to farm cryptos that are around. So if this interests you, kindly stick around, watch this video to the end, and kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time we drop an awesome video like this, you will be the first to be notified that, hey, Crypto Dig has dropped another awesome video. Thank you very much. So let's dive deep in today's video. So what are we saying? I said this that when I logged into my account after so many trials before being able to log into the account finally. Yesterday, I connected my Bybit account, my Bybit wallet for me to receive my airdrop. But this morning when I logged in, I come to discover that I am not eligible. Why am I not eligible is this? Well, now I come to discover that it says that you have to fit at least one criteria out of the following, out of these three criteria. One, possession of an OG pass. Then two, at least one transaction. Then three, a minimum of 5 friends, 15 tasks, and 5 avatar upgrades. So this you have to, before you will be eligible for this airdrop, you have to complete at least one of these three tasks. So which is why I am not eligible. Now, to possess an OG, what does this mean? So for you to become an OG, if you look at my screen here, you discover that here from on the screen it says access exclusive streams with OG pass. So if you click on it, let me click on it and see what is the criteria to possess an OG pass. It says access exclusive streams and unique item, elevate your experience. Some features are coming soon as well. So what does it include? It says double your scores, plus 2 AI attempts, 100% TGE unlock, access to streams which is coming soon, then access to unique items. So now, but for me to become an OG, I have to subscribe for 1 ton. I have to subscribe for 1 ton. That means I'll be paying a transaction of 1 ton to be eligible to become an OG. So let's go back and see the criteria for the next task there. It says at least one transaction. So here now, this is the twist. For me, becoming an OG with 1 ton means that I have performed one transaction. So that means if I should go for the first task there, possession of an OG pass, that means I have automatically carry out the second task. So then the third one says a minimum of 5 friends. That means you will have to invite at least 5 friends, even if you are not going for the first or second task. If you are going for the third task, that means you will have at least 5 friends. The reason why I am not eligible, I have not carried out the task, is that I don't have a friend. I haven't referred any friend yet. So that's the reason why that is not there. So all 15 tasks and 5 avatars. So telling us that, guys, for us to be eligible for this airdrop, at least we have to perform one out of these 3 tasks. Either possession of an OG pass, which we have to make a transaction of at least 1 ton. That is, we have at least 1 ton to become an OG. And once we pay the 1 ton to become an OG, that means automatically we have carried out the second task on the list. So that is that about that. So guys, if you want to be eligible for this awesome airdrop, so we have to perform one out of this eligible task. So immediately after this video, I go ahead to to perform the task so that I'll become an OG, so that I'll be eligible for this airdrop. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please, if this video interests you, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family that may benefit from it, and don't forget to hit the subscription to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so that the next time we drop an awesome video, it will be the first to get notified. Thank you. See you in the next video.